It follow me everywhere. Yeah. Oi. Oi. Oh, it actually works.
Okay, now that I've actually played with the camera enough and, you know, fairly good, welcome back. I've been collecting parts and I kind of want to do some stuff to the Evo. So firstly, Super Pro. Now I've been doing cars for a while, not professionally of course. And everything from Hondas to Commodores to everything. This crap is freaking amazing. Well, I like them anyway. So this is the kit. It's actually called Kit 142K and it's suspension parts for Evo 7, 8 and 9 vehicle kit. And it comes with lots and lots of stuff. So we've got that. I swear to God there was something else. And no, it's not a new engine. Oh. We are going to give it, I don't even know if you can see that, but we're going to give it the full Whiteline treatment. I literally got a full front and rear sway bar kit from Whiteline for the Evo. Let's jack up the car. Upper control arm, inner front bush. Rear lower trailing front bush. Rear upper control arm, rear bush kit. Rear differential pin bracket. Power steering rack mount kit. Rear shock absorber lower mount. Tow control arm inner adjustment kit. I did look at all this. Rear diff support bracket push. Suspension front right. No, just front lower control arm inner bush. Damn. This is not going to be a one-day job. And some penetrant. I should really be wearing safety glasses for this. I don't even know why I started on the rear, honestly. I really don't. Actually, yeah, I do, because there's less I've got to put into the rear than I have in the front. Oh, God. I just remembered I need to get a spanner. Told you, I'm not a mechanic. I'm gonna warn you all now. I don't think this camera was on charge because it is dying very quickly. So I might just be working in silence. It's okay, I'll talk to myself. No strip bolts or anything. So this is still, I think this is still running its back, well, Yeah, that is still factory shit. I only just noticed that I've got a Fujitsu rear exhaust. An SR series, that was pretty good. Do I want to get a titanium? That's not titanium. I'm gonna save the battery on this camera and I'm gonna get this bitch out.